We found Toyota's hidden heritage car collection.
So we're going to take you for a quick walk around and see what goodies and rarities we can find.
Right, Lucas.
Yeah.
Start with the least interesting car.
Work our way up to the most, right?
So we forget the Corollas and the Carinas.
This is an LFA.
What is it?
Stands for?
Lovely friggin' automobile.
I'll say. Yeah.
It's so nice, isn't it?
So it was about 550 horsepower.
Yeah. 4.8 litre V10.
9,000 RPM?
All the RPM, yeah. This is the one Clarkson drove, isn't it?
Yes.
In Top Gear, the very first Top Gear, which he basically jizzed his pants over and has continued to do for his whole life after this. And you can see why, can't you? It is.
Oh, absolutely. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I vowed that one day I will drive one of these. Today is not that day, but one day I will.
Keep asking Toyota very nicely.
Well, you know, subscribe and maybe we can afford to buy one day.
But we probably can't because what were they new? 300?
Something like that.
And now?
1 point something million. It's got an M in it.
Million quid, yeah, probably.
Yeah,
and this isn't the Nürburgring pack.
No, which is actually rarer.
Pack. It is rarer, I think. You're right. The Nürburgring pack's a little bit lower, different wheels, bit more aero, bit more power. But this one, blue with the kind of cream Lexus interior.
Yeah, it's the only way to have it. Right, let's pry ourselves off this up then, shall we?
See you later.
See ya.
One day, yeah. Let's just. What we got here? Walk past the
Toyota Century.
A massive Toyota Century with a great number plate.
Would you say it's a massive
It's
Toyota
a
Century?
Yeah, I would say, wow, car. Wouldn't you?
Who would have thunk
car. This is an alcoholic beverage. This car.
Yes, Toyota Corona Family Edition.
There's loads. You put lime in the windows. I think that's what you do.
Yeah. For a car from the '60s to be shipped in the UK with not automatic wipers, but electric wipers, and if you have a look inside, it's from the '60s.
This is a bit of you, actually, isn't it?
It is a little bit. It is a little bit.
From classic cars and
having a look
bangers
in here,
world.
It's got Mercedes indicators because you flick that. And that's indicate right.
That's the indicator?
Yeah, that's the indicator.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a nice little tidbit. And I like the little...
the quarter lights.
I won't do that because the glass will probably fall out. In fact, look, the glass has been sealed in, I think, by some mastic.
Yeah, they always go wrong, those things. But coming along here, we've got...
Now, I'm going to say these three are a bit of me.
You like an RCF?
Saloon cars with big V8 engines. So ISF.
Oh, ISF, that one.
Yeah. GSF.
RCF.
5 litre V8, aren't they, all of them?
5 litre V8, 470 horse.
Yeah, I think that was like 420.
For Blazer.
470. And then I drove that last year. It's like carbon edition, so it's got carbon brakes, carbon fibre. It is wild. It's absolutely unhinged.
Yeah.
So for a Lexus, which you expect to be, quite a dull, safe, comfortable car, that thing is mental. Like you turn the traction control off and you're clinging on for dear life.
They're the last bastion of the NAV8, aren't they? It's them and Cadillac with the CTSV Blackwing.
The Blackwing thing, yeah.
That's it.
And that's, to me, one of the coolest cars you can get, like a big saloon car. I think the GSF is massively underrated.
Yeah.
Who talks about GSF? No one. Everyone talks about AMGs, everyone talks about M5s.
If you can afford it, pick one up. Do it.
And white with red leather, good. Grey with cream leather, good. Nardo grey? Yeah, not so much. Oh, sorry, now
Mark 1 RAV4.
Yeah.
Have you seen people drop these? Someone slammed one of these recently.
They see
and
me
it looked absolutely bitching.
Really? Yeah. The only thing I remember about these is Clarkson, again, back in the day, did a video, not on Top Gear, like his Christmas special videos on VHS.
Oh, God, yeah.
And he said it was so crap, he took it to a farmyard and dumped an entire truck of manure on top of it. That's how much he hated them. These, however, let me just go back to the Carina. I know it's like a boring saloon car, but to my mind, being the motorsport man, these remind me of the early 90s BTCC because they turned them into a touring car.
And when was... that
was, I think, driven by Will Hoy.
When was the last time you saw
Rouse?
hubcaps with actual holes in them?
Oh, that aren't cable tied on?
No, they've got lug nut holes in the hubcaps.
So you've stopped me enjoying my BTCC reminiscence to talk about lug nut holes. Who is this man? Yeah, you're right. They do have holes to lug nuts. Anyway, BTCC.
Yeah, BTCC, very, very cool.
Manure, that one. We've driven these.
We've driven these?
Yeah, lovely.
Which one would you have out of the three?
Oh, good question. That is spectacular, isn't it? That sounds wonderful. It really is.
Yeah. GRMN, Yaris.
These are also pretty slept on, aren't they?
I've heard they're very bloody good. Hard to maintain, but cool.
I think about 210 horsepower. Front-wheel drive. Manual.
Yeah, supercharged 1.8 tuned to deliver 209 horsepower, according to this lovely little sticker.
And they got limited slip diff.
Flipping heck.
I think
it's a proper bit of kit.
If you took all the stickers off, right, gave it to your granny, and said, "Gran, Put your foot down. Her teeth would fall out, wouldn't they? Immediately. Her false teeth would fall out.
Speaking of Granny, though,
yeah.
I mean, you think of Granny car, it's one of two things. It's a Honda Jazz, or it's that.
That is a Granny
car, It's a Mark 1 Toyota Yaris. And I think this is probably the cleanest one I've ever laid eyes on. And a great spec, too. I mean, look at you've got metallic green paint.
I love it.
That's absolutely nuts.
It is all the same grey inside. Like,
it's homogeneous grey, and that's fine.
Love it.
But,
lovely. What else we got?
Theoretically, should be more boring. It's a Prius. It's a Mark 1 Prius, but this is the first ever hybrid rally car.
Right.
And I think that's just wicked, to be honest. Cool, just in general, I mean, it's going to be slow as balls. But
was it some long distance rally? Does it say on it? Midnight Sun to Red Sea.
Has it actually got that on it?
Yeah. Sweden to Jordan.
That's a long rally.
5,000 miles over 3 weeks.
Jesus wept. I mean, fair enough, right?
That's a big cab fare, isn't it? Let's be honest. That's quite a lot of an Uber fare, that is, with your Prius.
It is.
Crazy.
Yeah. I Go Crazy was built by one of the fellas here, actually.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
I did try and have a chat to him, but I think it was Paul.
Did he have a moustache?
It was the fella with the beard.
Big brain.
Yeah, sweet guy.
Rear engine, aren't they? 1.8.
Mid-engine turbo, 1.8.
Oh, mid-engine. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yeah, and it's a one-off, only one of them, approximately 100 grand, 0-60 in 6 seconds.
Rear-wheel drive. Is it rear-wheel drive?
Yeah, mid-engine rear-wheel drive. And just completely ridiculous and silly.
And it kind of looks like the engine is in a suitcase in the boot, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit of a Clio V6 type thing, you know?
Yeah, it's cool,
or Renault 5 Turbo type thing.
I like
it. But another 8.6.
It's a bit of me, yeah.
This one is unfortunately a replica. It's not an actual coupe
it's not
car.
The real deal?
No, but it is made up to look like it.
So
BTCC,
I read that they won the British Touring Car Championship with that in 86 and 87.
Yes.
It was like classes back then, so
it
wasn't like overall. But
well, to win your class is still a hell of a thing, right?
Can you imagine though? We know how good the standard one was. Imagine with more power, higher revving, cams, ITBs.
Yeah. Who knows? One day.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, not road legal, which is why I wasn't in our video.
No. Right. This is the Uber parking area, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's
get around this
fast forward a little bit around here. Speaking of GRs, this is a Maurizio one, isn't it? There's the circuit pack and there's the Maurizio. There you go.
Maurizio.
Yeah, so you can tell
it's the new one, isn't it? The facelift.
Yeah, and you can tell by the big black wang, obviously.
It is a manual.
Because
they do them in autos.
Yes.
And the auto, you think, oh, who would buy it? But actually,
is it good?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
I've not actually driven one of these yet. I would love to have a go in a GR.
Yeah, if you do, get on. I've driven a couple.
I think they were our car of the year last year. I'm pretty sure.
They've won everything, haven't they?
Yeah, not surprised.
Little 3-pot.
Not surprised.
What's that one? Special one.
So another special one. I don't actually know much, but that's a WRC edition type jobby.
Cali Rovanpera. That'll be because he won it, didn't he?
Sure, you know more about that than I do.
Young lad, rally driving. I'll do the motorsport stuff. You do the
specs, mate. Right. And the circuit pack.
Bog standard circuit pack.
It's not bog go. It's the circuit pack.
Sorry, yeah, but who doesn't buy a circuit pack?
I mean, povos.
Lucas, what do you think about Land Cruisers?
I love Land Cruisers.
I love Land
Well, this is a Prado one. We've got a Prado one and a regular full fat one. We're only really supposed to get the Prado here, I'm pretty sure. Especially in the US, they only get the Prado. But the big one's supposed to be more capable. But who's really going to buy one here and use it for that? Probably nobody. But speaking of, actually, if we sneak back through here, we've got the full fat one, and it's not your average Land Cruiser because this is a full-on commercial van spec one.
Oh, is this with the blanked?
Yeah. So
they blanked out the rear windows.
Yeah. They've blanked out the rear windows with metal panels. Yes, exactly like that. This is 2 of them.
This is like Arab spec, isn't it?
A little bit. Yeah.
Needs a bit more gold, maybe, but so that's how they've done it.
It's commercial. There's no seats in there. It's just a flat floor.
They've still got glass.
Yep.
They've just basically put a blind over the rear windows. And now
it's a metal blind, so your massive cinder blocks or whatever you're carting around don't smash your windows.
And they've got like a mesh, haven't they, between the seats? So it's proper van spec.
Like a paddy wagon.
I'm in my van.
Right.
I love a Land Cruiser, by the way.
Oh, 100%.
One day, that'll be my daily, I reckon.
That's an attainable dream car. I'll give you that.
Yeah.
But as we go past this
now look.
Bev, we've got something a lot more interesting and red over there.
Not special.
Special. Oh, that's spoiler. Cover up the plate. Where do you guys think this big old Hilux is from? Any ideas? I recognise it.
They cover the plate to hide it. Oh yeah, Antiques Roadshow. I don't know, mate. Oh yeah, Top Gear.
Who would have thunk it? Not me.
It's massive, isn't it?
It's absolutely huge.
It's so big.
It's. I've been lucky enough to go up to Grampian recently and do a full walk around with all the Top Gear cars up there. but I don't think anything they've got comes close to
This
the
is
magnitude of this.
This is sick. And to think it actually went to the North Pole.
Yeah,
And do you remember, didn't the tyres come off?
something like
And they
that.
had to do the old lighter fluid.
Yeah. Didn't
Get it back
someone
on
lay
again.
a brick off the back of it as well?
Oh, is it still got a toilet?
I don't know. Has it?
No, the toilet's gone.
Toilet's gone, but
It was-
the gun holder remains.
It was a tow hook toilet, wasn't it?
Yeah, something like that. But they've got the jack in it still. They've
So
got
who was
the
it?
gun
Was it-
case.
Was it Clarkson or May?
I think it was May.
Like this. Clarkson!
The picture of
Oh
Grace. that
shit!
is. Yeah.
It's got
Oh,
a
go on,
bloody
go on, go on.
rifle on it. I don't remember them using that. Do you?
No. One would think Chekhov's gun, but no, I don't actually.
Anything in it? Probably not.
No, it's
It's
probably
so
empty
big,
now,
isn't
but
it?
it is absolutely massive.
It's massive,
And obviously
it's
they've got remote inflatable and deflatable tyres and all the off-road gubbins, massive CB radio antenna, and a hell of a lot of duct tape on the dashboard too.
Oh my
And
God.
I imagine these fluorescent lights are probably to light the talents when they were
Yeah.
out driving. But
it's strange, isn't it? Apart from the tyres and all the other suspension mods and
It's
the
just a
arches,
Hilux.
inside, when you look at the seats and the gear levers, it is just a bog standard Toyota Hilux.
Just embiggened.
Just, yeah, massively embiggened. It's sick. Can you imagine doing however many hundreds, thousands of miles did they do?
Too many. However
that?
many it was too many. Yeah. Poor
Incredible.
bastard.
That is a sick car.
But I think this video might have just peaked, don't you?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so
think
if you want to
so.
see us do this with perhaps another facility, are you a PR for another car company? Let us know. But in any case, thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
And
if
we
you want
will
us to slate your collection of heritage cars, the really boring lecture ones, just let us know and we'll happily come and do
we'll
it.
see you there.
for free,
In the
and then-
meantime, like and subscribe and all that jazz.
I'm going to take a dump off the back.
Yeah,
Leave
have
it,
fun.
actually, yeah, cheers.
Bye bye.